Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? Just want to say thank you for the love on my TK Maxx / Halloween video. I did not expect it to get that much love. It's like smashed over 500 views. I think it's actually close to 700 views now. May not seem a lot to you, but to me that is a hell of a lot of people to watch the video, so thank you. And also I want to say a thank you for my first video to hit over 10,000 views, which was my premiering hotel room review. Last year I went to London with my sister and we booked two different types of rooms, so I just done a little review on both the rooms and at what prices I paid for them, and this is my first video to hit over 10,000 views, so a huge thank you. Excuse me, I may look a bit drowsy because I've just woken up from a nap. It's my day off and I wanted a nap, so and again, also, I want to give a shout out to my Instagram. Don't normally talk about my Instagram much lately, but I am close to hitting 500 followers on there. So, little selfless plug for my Instagram. Can we make it to 500 followers by the end of the year? I don't know. If you haven't followed me already, go and follow it. I'll link all the links down below as usual. Yeah, don't really use it as much as I'd like, but I am trying to put a bit of time and love into it at the moment. So yes, go and follow me over on Instagram. So today's video, it is the return of the HMV 999 mystery box, but this is a different type of box. I don't know if it's like, I don't know what's different about it, but the box itself is actually different. I've done a couple of these in the past, and it has been like a larger, twice the size of this actually. Same price, twice the size of this. But like the whole box is different. It's been like coloured boxes, but this is just like a generic cardboard box with red writing. The other one with blue writing. Literally does not say much on it. It says $9.99 knockout, 5 items, minimum Amazon value at $24.99. Amazon value. Okay. Didn't notice that before. But yes, I haven't actually picked up one of these style boxes before. But when I done my first HMV mystery box, I got the inspiration from that video from this type of box, because this is one of the videos that I'd seen in this type of box. So this one is a first for me. This isn't me saying that, oh my god, it's the most amazing value ever, you need to go and buy one of these boxes from HMV, because 9 times out of 10 it's a lot of rubbish inside. But I buy it for the mystery. I buy it for the addiction of mystery boxes. I probably won't use any of the stuff in here, but there's that small chance that I may. I know from my last box I gave some to my 2 nieces. I've had a flask. I still use a flask as well. So, shall we just get into it? Oh, okay, there's a lot of sellotape. Do you want to see the first look? Cardboard cut. Cardboard cut. I've literally just cut my skin open. There's no blood, but it's like, that's gonna sting. Can you see? You can't see. Oh, I don't like this box. Oh, that's gonna sting. It's under like a crease as well. Oh, okay, be careful. Oh, I don't want to touch it now. You can have a first look. What's that? Oh, okay. So, first, we have a mystery egg. This is a Star Wars helmet pencil topper, and it's one of those surprise eggs. So let's get into it. Should have really bought some knives or scissors or something. Have I got anything that I can pry this open with? Star Wars, not really a Star Wars fan, but I know quite a few people who are. Oops. And if it's good enough, I can pass it on to them. If there's any sweets in it, they're mine though. Oh, you know what? I'm not a Star Wars fan, but I feel like we've got a good one. This is like the main man himself, isn't it? I'm your father. Or something like that. Is it like Darth Vader? Oh, yeah, okay, it's plastic. Didn't expect it to be plastic. I expected it to be rubber or something. But yeah, I don't know. It was just like stick on the end. Okay, maybe that's not a pencil, but you get the gist. So yeah, I'm not too disappointed at that. How many are there to collect? 6 to collect. And yeah, we got the middleman himself. So next, a bag. What's on the bag? What is that? I have no idea what that is. I know it's a bag, but is it like a game console or a gun? A backpack? What is that? Okay, I'm intrigued. If you know what that is, if you know if it's from a program, I don't know. So it's just a drawstring bag. Quite an okay bag actually. Good for travels, like day out. It's got like a leather strip. I don't think it's real leather. At the bottom. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, nice little bag. I don't know if my nephew would like that. I know he used to be into games. Don't know if he is anymore. But Harry, if you're watching this, do you want a bag? Next, we have Mortal Instruments, City of Bones. The Mortal Instruments. That sounds like a band, but they don't look like a band. That does say Mortal Instruments, don't it? Or am I just being stupid? The Mortal Instruments. No idea. He looks familiar though. Why do I know him? He looks like... Okay, this is a flashback to a really old movie. I think Vanessa Hudgens was in it. I'm not too sure if it was like called Beauty and the Beast, but like, I don't know. It's a Vanessa Hudgens. Can't remember the storyline, but looks Beast. The Beast. I think it was called The Beast. And there's a guy in it who looks like that. I don't know. These are pin badges anyway. Ain't got a clue what they're from. The Mortal Instrument. Is that a band? Is it like a sci-fi band? Oh, you ain't got a clue. We saw these at work. My voice went really strange then. Avengers. I think they're like mystery bags. Are they like puppets? Or who is that? What are you? Okay, I'm a fan of Avengers, but I ain't got a clue who that is. Who is that? Is that like Thanos or something? No, shut up. Oh yeah. No, is that meant to be Thor? Shut up. Get out of there. That's meant to be... What? No, actually, I think it's Thanos. I was like looking at the packaging, and I was like, surely that he's not trying to be Thor. don't know if you can see it, but it's like one of those. Whoops, sorry. You still there? Like, you stick it there and just. Oops. So yeah, got that. Oh, fashion. It's a hat. You know what? Call of Duty, Black Ops, reversible. Hello. I feel like we've got something of value here. I would genuinely, well, I wouldn't myself, but you'd get this for about, I'd say about £10, wouldn't you? So, this is a Loot Crate exclusive. I've heard of Loot Crate. I think it's like a monthly subscription. So this is a Call of Duty hat. It is reversible, and I think my brother-in-law may like this. I don't know. I know, like, he plays some games, but I don't know if he plays Call of Duty. So I text my sister to see if he wants that, and that's not too shabby, to be honest. Then I think this is going to be the final item. Yeah, it is a notebook, because mystery boxes from HMV love a good notebook, and I am the one who knocks. Breaking Bad. I have not watched Breaking Bad. Tried to get into it, just not my thing. It is a lines book. Notebook. I'll still use it for notebooks because I do like a good notebook. But yeah, a notebook. So £9.99. I personally would buy a notebook for about £2-3. I am sure that would be about £10, to be honest. The bag, it's got no branding on it whatsoever, so I'd say about £2. The badge is £2. So in theory, I think the value is there, but yeah, it's to be honest, it is quite one of words. It's quite, what am I trying to say? It's actually, why am I struggling to put words together? It is one of the best boxes I've had, I reckon. Yeah. I'm pretty happy to say that is one of the best boxes I've received. Not amazing, but it's quite good. I mean, like, if my brother-in-law wants a hat, it's going to a good home. The bag, if my nephew wants that. The notebook I'd use. These bands. I need to find out if this is a band or not. I don't know. So, that was a mystery box from HMV. 2002 July edition. So, yeah. If you like this video, then please give me a big thumbs up. Sound off below if you'd been happy with any of the stuff if you had this box. And yes, if you'd like to see more of these videos, then yes, show off down below and let me know that you actually like this video. Please go ahead and show your loves on my Instagram. And yes, I shall see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching if you got this far. It's goodbye from me, Matt. Goodbye from Rainbow Soul, and stay sassy.